let me know how many of you are not Goans. कहाँ कोकणी कहना, कोकणी लड़ना जानते हैं Or please raise your hands those who do not understand or who do not speak Konkani. Very few of that. Okay, no problem. पहिली स्वागत, I welcome you at this International Purple Fest. Tomorrow we are going to begin International Purple Fest, and I think the duties are assigned to you. And I'm very sure and confident because the last two Purple Fest, the day you have served this community. It's not because of money, it's not because of anything, it's not because of certificate, or it is only the dedication and commitment to serve for this community. The duties which are assigned to you, I'm sure that you will do it with full vigor and with full confidence. Please raise your hands those who have been volunteers in past. Anybody? One of Southern or Indian? Okay. You will have to guide them. See, the reviews that we got for last two Purple Fest are fantastic. The success of International Purple Fest, as Mr. Gupusat Oscar said, that is because of the volunteers, those who are present and those who have given their services. During night time, during morning, early morning, they used to start at 5 o'clock and they used to end their duties during the midnight also. And to serve this community, there are various types of disability, but we have never found anybody complaining about the volunteers that they have left them because of this event, or they have not got transport facilities, they have not got food properly, they have not been taken care. This kind of reviews we have never got. Chairman of International Film Festival for a few years, but the reviews were a little bad, where we deal with the people with full abilities and normal people who are celebrities and who have their personal secretaries and assistants. Even then, there had been a lot of complaints, but as far as International Purple Fest is concerned, for last two editions, we have never got a single bad review. And we must continue all this again in this year. All the work assigned to you, you have been told, we all of us, I am a minister. I have started my career like you only. And when I was participating, when I was volunteering for all these years, then I got my personality developed and I could reach to this position today as a minister. I worked in so many corporate houses also, wherein this kind of habits, this kind of experience you will not get anywhere else. Even if you pay and you will not get this experience. This is the experience that will mold you, will develop your personal abilities, develop your personal skills, personal talent, which will help you rest of the life. म्हणून आम्ही आमच्या दिल्ली जबाबदारी कितल्या सिन्सियरली करतात ताजेर आमचो फ्युचर डिपेंड आसा. Once again, I congratulate and compliment all of you. When we used to go there, we used to give our market, we should do robbers, we have a sale of money, we have to do also. But finally, I asked them, like, what do you do? We thought that they are rocket drivers, but they used to say that I am a director of such and such international company,
So, I'm going to introduce the community of the representative of the community. That's only two together. There will be some documentary, there will be some abilities, there will be things to white from asking something similar to what we discovered with the city is going up from the community. About how I would say and say, listen, it is to do. Because Sunday, you'll be going back by the TV. You'll be going back when breaks. We have a parting with the lighter playing in the customs and your bias. These people fans started coming in. But actually, sir, name I can't remember. Talking about it. So, you all will be having something wrong of the venue now. Please listen to it. Acha, everybody has downloaded the app. 100%. Every do I have available nothing stored there? Nobody got top package. You must do it. Please raise your hand, the mic is up to you. Watch out. It's so good. You. Like to just nothing. Like you know, like you must what I. You must. Joe. Well, I don't know what was happening at Cuba. The schedule should be on the tip of the fingers. Anybody coming in and asking it. Yes, it might happen you will take you 30 seconds to just take all the sample. But please well-versed yourself on the schedule. When you are going through the main venue, please check what is there. Which one will give you some of the tips in the app instead. I just got that streamload and narrations. It is, I believe, on. Please use that and make it. We are trying to add as much as technique as possible. Right? There will be many people who are the wheelchair users. There will be many people who are usually parent and many people who are speak and other. There will be many people who are this effective cycling and invite me and understand. Please, no sympathies. They are friends, they are our guests with Goa. The whole hospitality to God, the Goa better it is. And I have always said, you all are our faces of IPM 2025. Is it right? Agree? The more we make it, the more well-managed and more well-dressed you all are. Our event, our new event goes to that. Right? And the very things which are dependent on us, and I know to avoid you on the job. Over the year, and I'm not going to give you any kind of schemes. I know to avoid them when you just want as possible and wiping the basis. Okay? So let's be together. Anywhere, any confusions, Mr. Rabbit still makes here. We are here. Now, that I'm going to leave. Right? Okay?